my name is Inbal. Thank you for joining me at Cooking with Inbal. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite salad dressing recipes. You can use mixed greens, kale, lettuce, whatever it is that you like. Add your favorite vegetables, fruits, crunch, nuts, and this dressing works with everything. So the first ingredient is mayonnaise. I use mayonnaise, but you can use a vegan mayo or yogurt if you prefer. So we're gonna put this mayo in the bowl. I'm gonna write all of the amount on the bottom of this video as well as in the comments. We're gonna add olive oil into the mix. After that, we're going to add lemon juice. We also have mustard. See, all the colors are coming together already. We have some apple cider vinegar. One of my favorite things, honey. I put about 3 to 4 teaspoons, so it's really up to you. And then we're putting 1 clove of garlic. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to be using this to mix our salad. The reason I use a whisk as opposed to a spoon or a fork is it really binds it all together and make sure it's all mixed properly. You can use a fork, just make sure that your honey and your olive oil as well as all the garlic is not just floating up there, but it's mixed really good. You can see all these colors coming together. It's like a light mustard color in the end. So once I'm done, I like to keep my dressing in a container in the refrigerator, and anytime I feel like a salad, I grab it and I make one. I hope you enjoyed this salad dressing tutorial. If you make the dressing, let me know. If you like this video, don't forget to share. Until next time, I'm Inbal. Bye.